In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit image in Foxit PDF Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Edit tab up top, and then from here it says Edit Object. You want to click on where it says Edit Object, and there's this arrow, and then from here you want to select Image to be able to edit images. Then simply go to an image and click on it, and as you can see here, it's now editable. You can go ahead and resize it like that. You could go and of course rotate it using this rotation wheel up top, and then of course you have different options over here. You could go and edit object by clicking over here, and you can basically do whatever you want. You could go and draw over it, you could use burn, paint bucket, you could use different filters. There's a bunch of different things you can actually do with the image once you actually select it, which is very convenient. And of course you can play with this up top here. I'm not going to waste your time doing this right now. And then you also have the options to basically replace image. You'll be able to rotate it left, rotate it to the right. You'll be able to flip horizontally or flip vertically. Okay, so that's basically how to edit images. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.